Hello students, as you know that we are discussing about the weightage of the chapter wise marks and expected question in the annual paper. Expected questions in the annual paper. Today I am giving you the chapter matrices. Its weightage is 13 marks. So you will get 13 marks question in the question paper, and I will give you where it comes. In part A, question number 3, that is fixed question for matrix, it is for 1 mark. Part C, there is no question in part B for matrices. Part C, question number 26, that is for 3 marks. Part D, question number 40 for 5 marks. And in part E, question number 49B, or it may come at 50B for 4 marks. So, and now I am giving you the expected questions in each section. First one, part A, that is for 1 mark. Part A, 1 mark expected questions in the annual paper. I will give you all the questions because already in my video classes already I completed the matrices and I explained each and every concept. First question, define a scalar matrix. That means you have to write a definition. So you are studied the different types of matrices. They can ask the definition for 1 mark. Second question, define a diagonal matrix. Define a diagonal matrix. See, these definitions you will get in the textbook. That's why I am not writing that solution. Define a zero matrix. Define a zero matrix. So like that you are getting all the definition. They can ask a definition for 1 mark. And the next question, see, the next question is little bit different. Fourth one. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. A is equal to Aij. This is a general representation of a matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3i plus g. Even though I explained this in my video classes, here also I am explaining this example. Definition you can find in the NCERT textbook. So how you solve this 1 mark question? First we have to write a matrix, general matrix of order 2 by 2 in this form. A11, A12. 1, 1 means first row, first column. A12, A21 and A22. So what is given? Write down that. Given is Aij is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3i plus j. Now calculate all these 4 values. I is replacing by 1, j is replacing by 1, A11. 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 1. That is 1 by 2 mod of minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is positive number. So that answer is 1. Next one is A12. 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 2. In this, it is 1 by 2. Modulus of minus 1 is again positive number. It is 1 by 2. Next, A21. I is replacing by 2. J is replacing by 1. It is minus 6 plus 1. Because 3 into 2, 6. Modulus of minus 5 is 5. Next, A22. 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 4 plus 2. It is minus 4. Modulus of minus 4 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Now write down that values in the matrix. Therefore, A is equal to, it is 1, 1 by 2, 5 by 2 and 2. Calculated values. Sometimes what the students doing, they are doing a mistake. They are calculating everything but they are not representing in the matrix. You have to represent that in the matrix. Then only you will get the complete marks. So now I am moving to the next question. That is question number 5. Here if x plus 2 y minus 3 0 4 is a scalar matrix, find x and y. See, this is also little bit different, that's why I am explaining this also. Scalar matrix is what? Only it is a diagonal matrix and all diagonal elements are equal. And non-diagonal elements, you know that non-diagonal elements are 0. Since the matrix x plus 2 y minus 3 0 4 is a scalar matrix. Scalar means its diagonal elements are equal. Therefore, diagonal elements means x plus 2 is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. And non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. So, y is equal to 3. If you solve like this, you will get 1 mark. And please remember, don't write it the values directly. If you write the value directly, you will not get the marks. Next, question number 6. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I upon j. Already I explained that example, that type of example. Next, moving to the next question, that is the 7th one. These are the expected question in the annual paper. 7th one. If a matrix has 5 elements, comma, what are the possible orders it can have? See, that means here this also I am explaining. If a matrix has 5 elements, means to write a order, if have to write the possible splitting of 5. So, multiplication of 2 numbers will be 5. Like that we have to split. Possible orders are five into 1 and 1 into 5. Other than this, we cannot split the number 5. So, if you write like this, you will get 1 mark. And the next expected question, 8th one. If the matrix has 24 elements, see, if the matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So, split it 24. So, such that the multiplication of 2 numbers will be 24. First one is 1 by 24. Immediately write down exactly reverse. 24 by 1. 8 by 3. 3 by 8. 6 by 4. 4 by 6. Then 12 by 2. 2 by 12. You have to write all the splitting. If you forget to write any one splitting, then you will not get the marks. Question number 9. If A is equal to Aij, where whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2, 2i plus minus 2i plus j. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Question number 10. construct a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. Moving to the next question. Again, definition. 11th one. Define a row matrix. Define a row matrix. Next. Define a column matrix. Next. Define a matrix. That means the definition of a matrix. Here, define a matrix means if you not remembered anything means just you can write it is a matrix is an arrangement of row and columns. Arrangement of elements in the form of row and column. Next, define a square matrix. Next, diagonal matrix already I gave. Define a diagonal matrix is over. Define identity matrix. Identity matrix, or it is also called unit matrix. Next, question number 16. Define symmetric matrix. Next, 17th. Define a skew symmetric matrix. Next, 18th. If x minus y 2x plus y 7 is equal to 3187. Find x and y. See here, it is very simple. It is given that the two matrices are equal. You have to equate the corresponding elements. For example, first element x, here first element 3. So directly we will get the x value. X is equal to 3. And compare the remaining values. Find the y value. Next. 19th question. If the matrix if the matrix 5 minus x 2y minus 8 2 is a symmetric matrix. Is a symmetric matrix. Find the value of y. See, this again I will explain. Symmetric means what? This is the diagonal element. These are the diagonal elements. In a symmetric matrix, the elements on the other side of the either side on the diagonal matrix are equal. That means what is given? Since the given matrix is symmetric. So, compare the elements on the either side of the diagonal, principal diagonal, that is 2y minus 8 is equal to 2, 2y is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. The similar question, if a is equal to 4 2x, y 2 minus 2, 3z5 is a symmetric matrix. Is a symmetric matrix, comma, find the value of x, y and z. This is a principal diagonal. Just compare the either side. For example, here y is equal to 2, x is 3, z is minus 2. Just compare and write down. These are the expected questions in part A for question number 3, 1 mark questions. Next, in part B, we don't have any questions from the matrices. Now we have a questions in part C for 3 marks. That is at question number 26. Part C, question number 26 for 3 mark expected questions. First one, for the matrix A is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7. Verify that, first one, A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Second one, A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Next, second question, if A and B are symmetric matrices, of the same order, then show that AB is symmetric if and only if A and B commute. That means commute means AB is equal to BA. That is AB is equal to BA, and already you are familiar, this is a very important theorem. Next, third one, for any square matrix, again this is also important theorem, matrix A with real number entries, with real numbers, prove that A plus A dash is a symmetric and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric. And students, what you are doing a mistake here in second question and third question, you are trying to prove that by using the example. No, it is wrong. Second and the third one is a theorem. You have to write the proof, not the example. Next, question number 4. Express A is equal to 3, 5, 1 minus 1 as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Fifth one, if f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, then show that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Next, sixth question in expected question in the part C. If A transpose is equal to 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1, B is equal to minus 1 2 1 1 2 3, then verify that first one, A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. Second one, A minus B whole transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. See, expected question means don't expect the same numbers in that matrix. They can change the numbers, but these type of examples you will get for part C in question number 26 for 3 mark. See the next expected question in part D, that is for 5 marks, question number 40. Here this question carries 5 marks in part D, question number 40. See the expected question. First one, if A is this matrix, B 3 minus 1 2 and C, then compute A plus B, B minus C, and also verify that this result. Second one, if A 0 1 2 B, and verify that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. And the third one, again 3 matrices are given, you have to calculate AC, BC, A plus B into C, and we have to verify this. See the next expected questions in part D for 5 marks for question number 40. Fourth one, if one matrix is given, we have to show that A cube minus 23A plus minus 40I is equal to 0. I think you know what is I. I is the identity matrix. In this problem, it is of order 3 because the given matrix is of order 3. Fifth question is same. Again, we have to prove this result. One matrix is given, we have to prove that this answer is 0. And the sixth one, if A is 1, 2, 2, 1, 3 matrices are given for you. You have to find AC, BC, and A plus B into C. You have to verify the result. These are the expected questions in part D for 5 marks. Now, in question number part E for 4 marks. Here it is part E for 4 marks, and the question number will be, they can ask this in 49B or 50B. The question will be for 4 marks, and the expected questions are, if A is equal to 2 3 1 2, satisfy the equation A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0, where I is identity matrix 1 0 0 1 and 0 is a 0 matrix. Find A inverse. Question number 2. If A is equal to 3 1 minus 1 2, satisfy the equation A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0. Then find the inverse of A using this equation, where I is the identity matrix of order 2. So these are the expected question in the matrices chapter, and already you are familiar, the weightage of this chapter is 13 marks. So like this we are discussing about the remaining chapters in the next class.